Audio Jungle.
The resident people of Maiduguri, guests, presents, and the very families who this devastating flood has impacted. We are here today not just as representatives of our family, but as members of a collective effort of young Nigerians to bring hope and relief to those who need it the most. This is a moment for solidarity, compassion, and immediate action. Maiduguri and Borno have rich histories and people who are incredibly resilient, especially considering the challenges faced in the past few years. This is why when such a painful national tragedy occurred, it deserves our collective efforts, support, prayer, and even more our active collaboration and contribution. When our father, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, visited Maiduguri earlier this week, he spoke about the urgent need for the private sector and individuals alike to step up in support of the communities affected. Inspired by his call, my wife and I, through the Noella Foundation, and my brother Yinka, our friends, and numerous other private sector partners have joined hands to respond swiftly to the needs of those displaced by this national tragedy. Your Excellency, we have been able to pool resources with the cooperation of many generous individuals and companies who have brought various food items, essential non-food items, survival kits, and medical supplies. And we hope that will offer immediate relief to those in need. Among the food items we are providing are over 1,000 cartons each of spaghetti, tomato paste, groundnut oil, salt, between 200 to 500 bags each of rice, maize, Maggi, 10,000 loaves of bread, and others. For daily necessities, we have between 1,000 to 10,000 pieces of mosquito nets, blankets, mattresses, capsules, wrappers, buckets, mats, sanitary pads, washing kits to help maintain the dignity and comfort in these most difficult times. We are also providing critical supplies to cover prescription for almost 50,000 children and adults, which include anti-malaria drugs, anti-hypertensives, antibiotics, and many others. Not stopping there, and in addition to our medical supplies, we have also mobilized 50 medical personnel within the northern-eastern states to assist the already overstretched medical team in the states. They are here already on ground and will remain with you for the next few days to help stabilize the situation. The Borno Ministry of Health can deploy them to various camps where the services will be needed, whilst we work with our partners to deploy e-health services in a few of the spaces. However, this is not only just the beginning, Your Excellency. I want to assure you that our effort is not a one-time act of charity. More help is indeed on its way to help in the coming days. As we speak, we are still mobilizing additional resources beyond those that are here today to support the recovery processes until every displaced person in this most beautiful state of yours has been given the opportunity to start to rebuild their lives. I would like to say once again, the people of Maiduguri need our support, the support of all Nigerians. At this time, and as a member of the youth constituency in our great country, I will continue to join hands with others.
Audio Jungle.